Hi, my name is Ashish Pathak. I'm the Director of Product Management at Mocana. Today we are presenting at the Intel booth for the RSA 2019 conference. Intel and Mocana have developed a joint solution for onboarding devices and then securely enrolling the devices onto the factory floors and then taking it all the way through the lifecycle management. What we see over here on the screen, right, is the entire flow of secure device onboarding, where once the chip leaves the fabrication, it goes through its to the device manufacturers, and all the way right to the factory floor. When those devices with those chips are ready to be installed, that's when the ownership proxy by Intel SDO are transferred to Mocana Trust Center. As soon as the ownership proxies are transferred to Mocana Trust Center, that's when Mocana takes over the ownership of the device, and then it goes ahead and enrolls the devices, and then the very first package for those devices, the application packages, are basically downloaded. So Mocana Trust Center platform, right, consists of the device on which there are two clients, enrollment client and the update client. These two clients during the SDO flow are downloaded by the rendezvous server or the SDO server onto the device itself. Once those clients are on the device, they basically make a call to the server, and then basically the client fetches, or the server fetches, a certificate from the certificate authority. And all the components that we see over here are third-party components, and Mocana is able to provide connectors to connect with all of those different components. Once a certificate is issued by the CA, that certificate is then deposited on the device. This certificate is then used in the follow-up process by the update client to authenticate and get its very first update onto the device. So as we look at this, right, along with the SDO flow and Trust Center, we are able to ship the device from the fab through its manufacturing process onto the factory floor, everything zero touch, and as soon as the device is enrolled in its right spot in the factory, right, the very first update happens, which includes the IP that the device is supposed to run with. So this is a snapshot of how Mocana Trust Center and Intel's SDO work together. So here we are basically demonstrating the joint solution developed by Mocana and Intel, where we are showing the device. This is the device, which is a gateway, and this gateway is connected to the robot. And the gateway is the equipment that we are going to try to enroll using SDO and Trust Center services. As soon as this device is enrolled, the very first package required for the robot to work is going to be installed on this device. So this is going to be how we advance with the demonstration. And all we are going to do as part of this demo is reset or reboot the device over here. And as soon as the device reboots itself, it will go through its enrollment process, and you will see the robotic arm move. So let me try to reboot this device right here. So this is all we are doing. We are rebooting this node at this point. As it reboots, you will see the arm as part of the onboarding process. The robotic arm is going to make a limited motion. So that signifies that this equipment, as part of the SDO flow, was shipped with a limited arm motion. Once the device is installed and enrolled on the factory, the new actual code for the robot is going to be updated on the device, and the robotic arm will make a complete motion, pick up the box, and then move it. So that is basically the zero-touch enrollment part of the SDO and Mocana flow. So as you see over here, the robotic arm made its limited motion. This is when the SDO process just finished. So the onboarding is finished, and now the ownership of the ownership proxy is going to be transmitted or transferred to Mocana Trust Center. And at this point, Mocana Trust Center is going to go through the enrollment process, and a new certificate is being issued to the device over here. It will just take a few seconds, and now the robot basically just received the first package from Trust Center, and it is going to move the block over. So this is the Mocana Trust Center update service portal page, where the new device that was enrolled and the package that was deposited or installed on the device could be seen. As soon as the enrollment happened, the package was also updated. So basically this is again a view of Mocana Trust Center and Zero Touch provisioning and lifecycle management. So over here, as you just saw in the demonstration, we were able to enroll and provision and enroll a device all the way from the fab to a factory floor in mere seconds. And these processes are fairly complex, but the intention behind the productization of Trust Center is to make the whole process simple, secure, and scalable. And that is what Mocana is about to deliver to millions of devices across the world. Thank you very much.